Okay, I can't promise that this will be the best video out there for you, baby girl. But I'm going to tape as much as I can of this thunder and lightning storm. Super early in the morning, baby girl. It's 1:49 our time. Sounds to me like it's starting to go away. Ooh, that was a good one. Yep, it's starting to move away because that one took 10 seconds from flash of light to sound of thunder. That means it's moving away. The way you tell if a storm is coming closer or farther away is you wait for the flash of the light and then you start counting. And however long it is, if it's shorter the next time, it's coming closer. If it's longer the next time, then it's moving further away. And this one's starting to peter out. Ooh, that was a good one. Oh, I got to 7 with that one. It might be coming around again. We'll see what the next flash, boom, boom. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Ah, got to 14 that time. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh. That one got 7 seconds. So part of this storm is here, and part of the storm is somewhere else. So it seems like there's actually 2 storms out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There it goes. So yeah, there's 2 storms, baby girl. The lighter bit of lightning that we're seeing, that's not all purpley and blue in our sky, it's just a little bit of lightning, that's far away. But it seems like we've got, ooh, like that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, 11 seconds. Even our storm is starting to move out. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 seconds that time. Ooh, pretty. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, this one's sticking around because that one was 8 seconds. Can you count out the next one? Pay attention to the light in the sky. Remember, it's dark. It's all I can record for right now. I have a limit of 11 minutes and 25 seconds. Let's see what I can do later. Love you.